It's finally here. Samsung has officially unpacked the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, and it's packed with surprises. From the new One UI 7.0 update to some major design changes, Samsung is pulling out all the stops for this launch. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Leaked reports suggest that pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 might open as early as January 5th, 2025. So, if you're thinking about upgrading, get ready, because Samsung is gearing up for something big. Samsung recently sent out a survey to select Galaxy users in Vietnam, asking for their input on improvements for upcoming high-end Galaxy phones. And here's the twist. Users who completed the survey might receive a 10% discount voucher toward the new Galaxy S series, set to be delivered on January 5th. This could mean early pre-reservations and possibly an official reveal for the Galaxy S25 series by mid-January. But remember, this survey was conducted by a retailer, not directly by Samsung. So take these dates with a grain of salt. If you're following Samsung's recent release patterns, this timeline isn't too surprising. The Galaxy S23 launched on February 13, 2023, while the S24 came earlier on January 31, 2024. Now, the Galaxy S25 could break all records with an even earlier launch. What do you think of these leaks? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're new here, be sure to watch until the end for the full breakdown. And if the rumors are true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to make a splash in the color department. We're talking 7 different colors, with 4 standard options and 3 online exclusives available only through Samsung's online store. Today, we're getting a glimpse at high-resolution renders of what these standard Galaxy S25 Ultra colors might look like. Although these are unofficial renders by TechMirror Concept, they give us a pretty good idea of what to expect. Picture this: titanium gray, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver. They have that sleek, premium look we've come to expect from Samsung's flagship lineup. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Samsung's track record with flagship colors suggests that some of these shades might come with matching frames, while others could feature sleek silver frames. And if the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design is anything to go by, we might see some exclusive colors with contrasting black frames for a striking look. Keep in mind, though, that none of this is confirmed. These are fan-made renders, so the final shades and frame choices could be different. But if Samsung sticks to this palette, we're looking at a stunning lineup of colors. So what do you think of these potential color options and early pre-reservation leaks? Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung news and leaks. We've got a lot more in store as we count down to the official release. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.